A big question you might have is, how do I customize Pipedrive so it can store all my data exactly the way I need it to? Well, if you're an admin user, you're already set to start customizing your data. You can add custom fields to your deals, contacts, or products. If you're not sure which of these objects you'd like to add your custom fields to, just follow the link in the upper right corner to learn more. But long story short, deals are very temporary in nature because you can have multiple deals open for the same contacts at the same time. Whereas contacts have long-term information about the individual people and organizations. Organizations can contain multiple people and deals associated with them. And lastly, products are essentially a profile of the service or product that you sell, which can also be customized with any fields you need, and these are attached to deals. If you want a nice overview of all data fields that stretch across all of your objects like deals, contacts, and such, then this is where you want to be under Company Settings. It's here that we can create custom fields while also marking specific fields as important or required for other users in Pipedrive. What's the difference? Well, let's say we're creating a custom field for our deals that tracks the lead source. If we mark this as important, Pipedrive is just going to remind you whenever you're in that deal that this field should be updated, but it won't block you from doing anything. But if we were to mark this field as required, then if we try to create a deal without documenting the lead source, we'll be blocked from doing it. Additionally, we could have a field only be mandatory when it's reached a certain stage of one of your pipelines, or when it's marked as won or lost. So useful to know if you're interested in data quality across your CRM. But just so you know, you can also create custom fields from the detail views of your objects. So let's head over to just any contact person's detail page. And let's, for example, add a job title field for all people in Pipedrive. Additionally, if your custom fields actually have data in them, they'll automatically be displayed in the contact summary of any deals related to them. Whereas if they're empty, they'll stay hidden, unless you choose otherwise. Now, what's also cool is this custom created field can be pulled into our contact people list view, and the list view will give you more of a spreadsheet-like experience, allowing you to run simple or complex filters utilizing your custom fields to produce detailed lists of info. You can then just arrange columns as you'd like, make edits on the fly, or bulk edits to massive amounts of data all at once. And as you may know, as long as it's allowed under your company settings, you should be able to export lists from this list view. But even way more awesome than this is that you can also just filter or even segment your insights reports and dashboards utilizing your custom fields. So right away, using any of our deal conversion or performance reports under insights, we can segment by our lead source and see which is converting better. Holy sweet baby Buddha, right? How efficient. So that explains how to set up custom fields and what they'll do for you. Thanks for watching, Pipe Drivers.